Get ready because the way you work is about to change. I mean, fundamentally change in the next 2 years. So today, we're going to look at the blueprint for that massive shift. We're talking about a new kind of human AI collaboration that's miles beyond the tools we're all using right now.
So let's be honest. We tend to think of AI as just a tool, right? Kind of like a hammer or a fancy spreadsheet. You pick it up, you give it a command, and it does a specific job. But what if that whole mindset is actually the problem? What if that's the wrong blueprint entirely, and it's holding us back from something huge?
Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. We're going to really dissect this massive shift in thinking. It's about moving from AI as a simple reactive tool to something way more powerful. Think of it as your professional co-pilot.
Okay, so to really get where we're going, we first need to understand where we are right now. Let's kick things off with the old model, the one we're all familiar with, AI as a tool.
When you look at AI as a tool, the whole relationship is pretty basic, right? It's transactional. Its whole job is just to follow your commands. The interaction is totally reactive. You say, hey, summarize this email, and poof, it does. The goal? Purely to automate tasks. And look, that's useful, for sure, but it's also incredibly limited. It can't really think with you.
Okay, so that's the old way. Now let's get to the exciting part, the new blueprint. This is where everything starts to change. Let's really dig into what it means to have a co-pilot instead of just a tool. The core of this co-pilot model is this concept of a symbiotic relationship, and that's a key phrase. This isn't about just offloading tasks anymore. No way. We're talking about a genuine partnership where your human ingenuity and creativity merge with the AI's incredible processing power, and together you can achieve things that would be totally impossible for either one of you alone. So you might be asking, how does this actually work? Well, it all starts with a shared understanding of your goals. The AI doesn't just know what you're doing, it knows why. That's what allows for real, dynamic collaboration, not just those simple reactive tasks. It's also constantly learning from your feedback, getting smarter with you. And maybe the most important part, its whole purpose is to augment your unique human skills, not to replace them. Okay, I know this all sounds a bit high level, a little abstract, so let's bring it down to earth. What does this collaboration actually look like in practice? Let's imagine the workflows of 2026. Just imagine your workday a couple of years from now. You've got a huge new project to kick off, but instead of that dreaded feeling of staring at a blank page, your AI co-pilot has already done the groundwork. It's already put together a foundational brief for you. It's chewed through the relevant data, it's flagged the biggest challenges, and it's even sketched out a few potential strategies, all because it understands your end goal. I mean, your starting line just got moved miles down the road. And look at the difference this makes for something really complex, like strategic decision-making. Right now, you have to tell the AI exactly what data to pull. You're the one directing everything. But in this 2026 Copilot model, the AI is your partner. It's proactively surfacing patterns, maybe flagging a market trend you never would have seen. See the difference? You're not just using it to validate your own ideas anymore. You're co-creating new ones in this constant feedback loop. The result isn't just a little bit faster. It's a quantum leap in the quality of your insight. So, with a co-pilot this powerful, it's a fair question to ask, well, what's left for me to do? And the answer is, your role becomes more important than ever. Because make no mistake, you are still firmly in the pilot seat. This is all about our role in the cockpit. Here's the critical takeaway. The AI cannot fly this plane by itself. Our job, our human job, is to set the destination. We define the vision, the goals, and maybe most importantly, the ethical boundaries. We're the ones who have to ask the right questions, the big, insightful questions that give the AI context and direction. And then we do the one thing no machine can do. We apply that incredible, irreplaceable human ingenuity. We're talking about creativity, strategic intuition, empathy. That's our superpower here. And this really sums it all up, doesn't it? The whole conversation about the future of work, it's not human versus machine, it's human with machine. This isn't a race we're trying to win against AI. It's a partnership we're building. So, I want to leave you with this one final thought. Just think about it for a second. If you really had a co-pilot, one that could handle all the tedious navigation and crunch all the complex numbers, freeing you up to just focus on the big picture, what new destinations would you explore? What truly ambitious goals would you and your team finally have the power to chase?